How to play Superstition. So I reckon this might be one of the most famous drum grooves / intros of all time, so it's definitely worth learning. And there's two ways you can go about playing it. First of all, the technical bit, what's happening, what are we whacking, and when. So the intro fill goes 3, 4, and But like the rest of the song, it's a 16th note swing, so all your E's and U's are slightly later. 3 and 3 up. And I'm playing flam, flam, right, left. Now, for the main groove, we're playing a basic 4 to the floor, so 4 bass drums, each on 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then a snare drum on 2 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Classic disco foundation to a groove, but here's where it gets good. Technically, we're just playing 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a. But remember, it is a 16th note swing, so again, the will be slightly late. There's two ways you can go about this, as I mentioned at the beginning. Either you can do it all one-handed, or you can do it two-handed, so you'll get right, right, left. But on 2 and 4, your right hand will have to come down to the snare drum. If you take away the left hand, it will just have this. Back in with the left. And a 2, and a 3, and 4, and a. Stevie also does some different variations on the hi-hat pattern, like just little things, bits and bobs, but that is the core basis of the groove. So go away and enjoy playing Superstition, because it's a banger. I don't need to tell you that.